Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 10, this is Bashir Ahmad Malik, your English teacher. Today, as you know, we have been discussing a lesson of your English book, that is a long walk to freedom. We have been discussing this from last 4 or 5 days. Now today we are at the last stage, so directly we will go to the topic. Here it is. But then I slowly saw that not only was I not free, but my brothers and sisters were not free. As you know, Dr. Nelson Mandela is telling us how brutality they have been suffered, uh, uh, how they have been snatched the freedom, how their freedom has been snatched by the whites, how they were not given their due respect in everyday life. So Dr. Nelson Mandela here says that slowly he saw that not only was he was not only free. So means he was not only free, but his brothers and sisters, they were also not free. They were also suffering the same kind of cruelty, same kind of deprivation, etc., etc. I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed, that was reduced. Curtailed means reduced, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. That is when I joined the African National Congress. And then Dr. Nelson Mandela says that not only his freedom was reduced, curtailed, but the freedom of everybody was curtailed. Everybody's freedom was snatched. Everybody's was not given his due kind of freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of but freedom of life, we can say that. That is when I joined the African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom of my people. Dr. Nelson Mandela says that when he joined the African National Congress, and at that time, so he became the hunger for the freedom. He became he had a great desire for the freedom, not only for himself but for the people, but his own people, but the people of his own race. It was this desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with dignity and self-respect that animated my life. Dr. Nelson Mandela says that this kind of desire, that he should have freedom, he should have a freedom in every, and his people should have a freedom. They should live a very dignified and very self-respecting life. This thing animated his life. This thing gave life to his life, we can say. उसकी इस चीज़ ने उसको मोटिवेट किया. This thing motivated him to fight for that, to eradicate this menace which was prevailing in South Africa, that transformed a frightened young man into a bold one. This thing, this motivation that we should have a freedom, we should have a self-respect, that everybody, his race means black people, they should have a dignified life. This thing transformed him from frightened man to a bold one. एक बुज़दिल आदमी से वो एक बहादुर बन गया. इसी चीज़ ने उसको मोटिवेट किया. That drove a law-abiding attorney to become a criminal. So that crushed a law-abiding. Till that he was a law-abiding person. He was obeying the laws, and he was the agent of obeying the laws. Now he became a criminal. Now he became a culprit that turned a family-loving husband into a man without a home. So till that he was loving his family, he was loving his wife, he was loving his children. Now he became homeless. He left his home for that cause, that forced a life-loving man to live like a monk. Now he was, till that, before that he was loving his life very much, Now he became a monk, he became a priest. I am now more virtuous. Now he is not so honest now, or self-sacrificing, or he is not sacrificing for others than the next man. He is sacrificing for the others also. He is not sacrificing himself. He is sacrificing for his race, for the people of having black color. But I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedom I was allowed when I knew my people were not free. So Dr. Nelson Mandela, though he was given a little kind of freedom, he says that this is not sufficient for him, that he will enjoy a little bit freedom, but the people of his race, they won't get such a kind of freedom. He don't accept at that point. Freedom is indivisible. The chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. So he says that if the people of my race, they are in chains, means they are not having the freedom. So that means we all are have been binded. We all have been put in chains. So the chains on all of my people were the chains on me. So he says that if my people are not free, that means he is himself not free. I knew that the oppressor must be liberated just surely as the oppressed. So he says that first the oppressor, one who is oppressing, one who is torturing the person, he must be liberated. He must be he should have a free, just surely as the oppressed, as the oppressed should be free, the oppressor also must be free. A man who takes away another man's freedom is a prisoner of hatred. So Dr. Nelson Mandela says that here's a good thing. He is saying that the person who is snatching, who is taking away the freedom of another person, that person, that oppressor is also the prisoner of hatred. वो नफरत का पहले ही कैदी हो चुका होता है. यानी उस वो जो आदमी जो दूसरे की आज़ादी छीनता है, वो कैदी होता है किस चीज़ का? वो नफरत का कैदी होता है. उसको पहले उस नफरत की कैद से छुड़ाना है हमें. This is the meaning of the Dr. Nelson Mandela, I can say. He is locked behind the bars of prejudice. He says that this person is locked behind the bars of the partiality and narrow-mindedness. He is a narrow-minded person who is taking away the freedom of another person. One who is snatching the freedom of another person, he is basically a narrow-minded person. He should be a broad. Everybody should have a free. God has made the man free, so everybody should have a freedom of expression, freedom of whatever freedom there is in the world. Everybody should enjoy that kind of freedom. So I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom. So Dr. Nelson Mandela says that if he is taking away the freedom of someone, if he is snatching the freedom of someone, that means he is not free. That means Nelson Mandela is also not free. Just as surely as I am not free when my freedom is taken away from me. Similarly, when somebody's freedom is taken away, he is not free. Similarly, the person who is taking away the freedom of someone else, he also is not a free person. The oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity. It means that the oppressor and the oppressor, one who is oppressed, one who is oppressing, means that is oppressor. He and the oppressed means the person who is snatching the freedom of someone, both are robbed of their humanity. Both of them are not having the humanity. दोनों के पास इंसानियत नहीं होती है. यानी जो ऑपरेसर है, जो किसी की आज़ादी छीनता है, वो भी उसके पास भी इंसानियत नहीं है, तो जिसकी आज़ादी छीनी जाती है वो बेचारा तो इंसान रह ही नहीं जाता है, क्योंकि man is born free, he should be free. Dr. Nelson Mandela says that everybody in this world has been created by the Almighty Allah. He is free everywhere, irrespective of caste, creed, color, and whatsoever he is having. He should not be uh, um, he should not be separated, he should not be isolated, he should not be tortured that you are having the different color, you are having this different religion, you are having the different caste, creed, and color. On the basis of that, you will be tortured, you will be snatched your freedom, your freedom will be snatched. This is all not good. Everybody should live a very dignified life, everybody should have a very good kind of life. So everybody should enjoy the freedom, irrespective of caste, creed, and color. So this was the message of Dr. Nelson Mandela. He now, lastly, he was successful in taking away this apartheid from South Africa. Now South Africa is a very democratic country, and everybody is living happily there, whether he is black or white. Everybody is enjoying. You can say in cricket team of South Africa, there are the blacks. There are Rabada is there. He's a black person. I think Rabada is not from South Africa. So there are some persons who are from who are in South African team who are blacks. There are also whites. So they are enjoying equally. You can now imagine how this apartheid, which was prevailing in South Africa, that has been taken away. That has been taken away. So this was all about this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please take care of yourself. Okay. Bye.